Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Sangeeta Hiroji. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee demands transfer of State Electoral Officer of Goa before the Lok Sabha election. All Goa Secondary Teachers Association stage dharna demanding cancel of notification of academic year. And polling dates of Lok Sabha election for Goa as declared by the Central Election Commission likely to be changed. And now the news in detail. President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee John Fernandez demanded transfer of State Electoral Officer of Goa before the Lok Sabha election. John Fernandez said that the State Election Committee should have informed the Central Election Commission about the Maundy Thursday. Also, John demanded transfer of Narayan Nauti as he was spotted during BJP's function. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
17 April in Goa, which is highly objectionable, and we blame and take to task the Goa CEO, because I don't think the Chief Election Commission has taken a decision without consulting the local election officers, and they ought have known that 17 is Maundy Thursday. It is a very religious day for the Catholics, and it is a day of fasting. So I don't know whether this is done with the ulterior motive, because we have received many complaints that the Deputy CEO Narayan Kiwate is often seen on the dais of BJP and other functions, because a complaint was lodged last time by Ram Kukalkar, who is the president of Ponda Vikas Samiti, that Mr. Nawati was seen on a BJP platform along with Narayan Savaikar. So I don't know whether it is done intentionally to hurt the sentiments of the people, and whether this RSS card is played by these local election officers. The Election Commission should inquire and take appropriate decisions and remove these officers from Goa at the earliest before the commencement of the election. Dates I have said,
it should be withdrawn or postponed.
Postpone. It should be for 24th, I have said. We have already represented to the Election Commission also for an inquiry on the local election officers as to how they were misguided. Postponed for 24th, the next date. As to how they were not informed of 17 being a Maundy Thursday. What is their job in Goa? Their job is basically to advise the Election Commission, and I don't think that the Central Election Commission has fixed the date without consulting the local election office. So whoever is involved in this mess, action should be taken, and those officers should be withdrawn immediately from here.
When you are going to write to ECI?
We have already started the process. I came yesterday, I was in Delhi, I met my leaders, because Election Commission, Goa Pradesh Committee cannot represent for them. It is all Indian National Congress.
All Goa Secondary Teachers Association stage dharna in front of Captain of Ports at Panjim demanding cancel of notification of academic year as declared on 12th June. Government has increased the working days of teachers by 21 days as per the notification, alleged Teachers Association. They further allege that government has assured to resolve this issue by adjusting the extra working days in Ganesh Chaturthi vacation. However, government has not done anything on this issue yet. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
इशू असलो तो ताणे 12 जुनाक एक सर्क्युलर केल्लें डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एज्युकेशनान ते सर्क्युलर इमिजिएटली विथड्रॉ करचें म्हणून. ह्या सर्क्युलरा प्रमाण आमचे एक्चुअल वर्किंग डेज 220 दीस जाता. 21 वर्किंग डेज तांच्यांनी आमचे वाडयल्या त्या सर्क्युलरा प्रमाण. बिसायड दीस तांच्यांनी हाफ एन आवर पर डे वाडयल्या. तो आमचे प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पार्ट बीन आमकां जी स्केल दिल्ली ती स्केल प्रोटेक्ट करची असो म्हणून आमचो इशू आसलो. दुसरो इशू आसा इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ MEA CPS. MBA CPS म्हळ्यार मॉडिफायड अश्युअर्ड करियर प्रोग्रेशन स्कीम. हे सिक लिवाचे प्रोविजन आमकां करचें. गोंयभर टिचर आसा 5000. तांकां लागून ट्रान्सफर पॉलिसी म्हणटा ती ना, युनिफॉर्म ट्रान्सफर पॉलिसी ना. जाय तशें मॅनेजमेंटान जाय तशें ट्रान्सफर करचें. हे रेग्युलरायज करपाक जाय, हे स्ट्रीमलायन करपाक. इलेक्शन ड्युटी फक्त टिचरांकूच घालची न्ही, मॅक्सिमम टिचरांकूच घालची न्ही. हे आमचे वेरियस डिमांड आसले. त्या डिमांडाक लागून अजून पर्यंत गव्हर्मेंटान कांयच करूंक ना. म्हणून आमी आतां परत एकदां हांगासर बसल्या की गव्हर्मेंटाक ह्या डिमांडाची याद करून दिवपाक लागली.
Polling dates for Lok Sabha election of Goa as declared by the Central Election Commission are likely to be changed, informed Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navdi. The polling dates, that is 17 April, fixed for Goa collides with Maundy Thursday, which is celebrated by Christian committee all over the state. Hence, the State Election Commission has asked for the change in polling dates, he added. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
17 तारखेक इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर केलं. डिक्लेअर केले उपरांत आमकां कळ्ळें की 17 तारीख हे माउंडी थर्सडे, विच इज अ हॉलिडे फॉर कॅथलीक फ्रेटर्निटी. इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जाले उपरांत आमकां खूब लोकांचे फोन आयले. खूब लोकां कडल्यान कळवणी आयली की तेच माउंडी थर्सडे आनी तेच सगळे म्हणजे फेस्टिवलान आसता तशें. ताजे उपरांत आमी तो इशू इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन घेवन गेले. वी हॅव टेकन अप द इशू विथ द इलेक्शन कमिशन आनी इट इज प्रोबेबली तेच इलेक्शन ते पोस्टपोन जावपाची संभावना आसा. अजून पर्यंत तांणी डेट डिक्लेअर करूना, पूण आय एम ऑफ द ओपिनियन दॅट कमिशन वील टेक इट सिम्पथेटिकली. इलेक्शनाचो प्रोसेस सुरवात जालो काय आमगेले डेली लॉ अँड ऑर्डर रिपोर्ट आमी पुलिशे कडल्यान घेतात. तातूंत सगळे तरेचे जसली क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स बी ताजे बद्दलूय माहिती घेतलेली आसा आनी सगळे प्रिवेंटीव स्टेप्स जे इलेक्शनाक घेतले लागतात ते सगळे घेतलेले आसा. ताजे उपरांत सेक्युरिटीचेर मिटींग घेतलेली आसा आनी तातूंत ज्या ज्या जाग्यार सेन्सिटीव किंवा हायपर सेन्सिटीव आसा त्या जाग्यार पुलीस बंदोबस्तूय दवरपाची वेवस्था ती सगळी केल्ली आसा.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi, (25x) conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Emotion, one-stop location for all your needs. A huge collection of custom gifts for your family and friends. Shop for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, anniversary and much more. Express your deepest love with a thoughtful gift from our store. Unique and creatively designed gifts, only at Emotions.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना माझा
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री
दास
रोमांच रोम अनगात्री लाघवी तुझे स्मित छेडती नवे गीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन तंगले जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले उमलली नवी एक प्रीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर पदवरी गोवा येथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
Welcome back. Chief Minister has ignored the important sector and has focused on less important things while framing the budget for financial year 2014-2015, alleged Aam Aadmi Party leader Rajendra Kakodkar. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
गव्हर्मेंटान जे बजेट प्रपोज केला का ते बजेट प्लीज ऑल आसा. फक्त बारीक बारीक गोष्टी हाचेर चड कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केला. प्रत्येक ग्रुपाक बारीक 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 गोष्टी दिल्ली आसात गव्हर्मेंटान. मोठी मोठी गोष्टी आसात ताचेर कांयच लक्ष दिल्लें ना गव्हर्मेंटान. तुमी ताणें उलयल्या ते सगळे नंबर्स ॲड केले न्ही जाल्यार तुमकां तातूंतल्यान फक्त टोटल ॲड केले ते सगळे 800 कोटी जातात. वेरेज आमचें बजेट 10,000 कोटीचे वयर आसा. बाकीचे 9,200 कोटी कितें म्हणटा ताणें खंयच स्पिची सांगूंक ना. सो इट इज फुलींग पीपल. 800 कोटी रुपयांचे तुका 200 रुपया तुका 500 रुपया अशें उलोवपाचें आनी मेजर गोश्टी एवॉयड करपाच्यो. आतां तुमी पळयलां आसतलें बजेटान 1.5 कोटी म्हणपा सोडून 150 लाख म्हणला, म्हळ्यार 150. 2 कोटी म्हणपा सोडून 200 लाख म्हणून. सो दीस इज ऑल रिटोरिक्स. दीस इज नॉट वॉट यू कॉल एज डजंट हॅव एनी इकॉनॉमिक ऑर गुड सेन्स ऑर प्रुडन्स इन द प्रेजेंटेशन. पोरू वर्सा गव्हर्मेंटाचे परफॉर्मन्स सामके पेड्यार जाल्ले आसा. 561 कोटी रुपये रिवेन्यू डेफिसीट जाल्लो आसा. म्हणल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान जो प्लॅन केल्लो, गव्हर्मेंटान कितलो प्लॅन केल्लो 7,306 कोटी आपूण रिवेन्यू कलेक्ट करतलो म्हणून सांगिल्लें, पूण ते कलेक्ट करूं शकले ना. ते फक्त 6,745 कोटी कलेक्ट करूं शकले. हे सगळे मायनींग इकॉनॉमी धरून सगळे केल्ले आसा. त्या शिवाय तांकां 300 कोटी रुपये जे प्लॅन केले नाशिल्ले, बजेटान प्लॅन केले नाशिल्ले ते मेळ्ळे. कसले जे डम्प्स आसात ताजे कन्वर्शन करपाची जे आसात ते 300 कोटी मेळ्ळे. ते समज धरले ना जाल्यार खरी डेफिसीट इन रिवेन्यू कलेक्शन इज 850 कोटी, which is 12% of the revenue.
Media sensitization workshop has been organized by Goa government in collaboration with Health Service Department and State Family Development Bureau on the occasion of Women's Day on 8th March. Inform Pallavi Mulgaonkar and Vandana Dhume. Ishwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
Of this Women's International Day, which is celebrated all over on the 8th of March every year, we decided to sensitize the media on the PCPNDT Act. That is it is the act where the detection of the sex or the selection of the sex is prohibited. So since there is a declining sex ratio as compared to the 2001 and 2011 census, therefore we decided to bring awareness all over by giving sensitization about the PCPNDT Act. Now in Goa we have a PCPNDT cell now at the state level and at both the district levels. So at the state level it is under the chairperson, the state appropriate chairperson is the Honorable Health Minister, and at the district level we have the district appropriate authorities which are headed by both the district collectors of South Goa and North. There is as for Goa, if you take sex ratio is the number of females per 1000 males. That's the ratio of the number of females per 1000 males at birth. Now for Goa, if we see, according to the 1991 census, the sex ratio was 964 as compared to India it was 945, and according to the census of 2011 it has declined to 920, but as far as India is concerned it is 914. So compared to the national standards we are always higher. For Goa it is always high. Now here in Goa we have a legal advocate with us in the PCPNDT cell at the state level who would tell you a brief about the PCPNDT Act.
PCPNDT Act, that is the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act of the year 1994 and has been amended in 2003. Now the declining number of girls in the state is a matter of great concern for us all, and one of the reasons for this is the practice of female feticide. And now to keep a check on this practice of female feticide, we have the PCPNDT Act. Now this act prohibits sex selection and regulates the use of prenatal diagnostic techniques so that these techniques are not used for the purpose of sex selection. So this act does two things. Firstly, it prohibits sex selection, and secondly, it regulates the use of these techniques so that they are not used for the purpose of sex selection.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर, a new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405-166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
Welcome back. Anjuna beneficiary farmers took out rally demanding protection of their fields from wild animals as they are getting destroyed since many years. They even held one-day agitation in front of Kerim Panchayat on this issue. Anjuna beneficiary farmers put forth their 12 demands in front of government and requested that these demands should be fulfilled and even discussed in the assembly. They further threatened to intensify their agitation if these issues are not taken seriously. Sudesh Maikar reports from Kerim.
इतले काबाड कष्ट करून जी भातशेती केल्या ती हे गये दोन उद्ध्वस्त करतात. त्यांना राखपाक महाकठीण. जर गयांनी अशें जावं रानटी श्वापदांनी रानटी जनावरांनी नुकसान केलें आमी कितें खावपाचें? ज्या जाग्यार शेती आहा ती शेती सोदीत ते भायर सांजची 7 जाली का रातचे भायर सरता आनी वयता. ह्या 7-8 वर्सांक तर भयंकर गर्दी जाल्या. पयलीं 1-2 अशें येवन तेंच्यांनी वास्तव्य केल्लें. आतां ते कळपच आहा 8-10-15 अशें. तिचेर अवलंबून असलेले लोक.
दिसून ते 3 मीटर सुद्धा हे असले वय असली जाल्यार ते वय वरसून हाडा येता आनी मनशान बगले आनी बॅटरी घातली जाल्यार तांकां खबर आसा आमकां हे भियातले आनी मनीसच पळटले म्हणून ते बॅटरी घालून हांगासर आमचे येतात मनीस आनी बघून वयता म्हटल्यार त्यांच्या भयान ते फुडें येना तांकां धांवडूंक आनी येताना कशें कळपच येता. ग्रुप करतात आनी एक फुडें तेंचो जाणटो योग आसता आणि त्याच्या फाटल्यान त्यांची बायल आसता आणि त्याच्या फाटल्यान त्यांची पोरां 10 जाण आमी बघले स्वतः दोळ्यांनी येवन आणि हेवटेन सकाळी येवन परत येता छतान रट्टा आणि वयता घरा. कारण आमचे हे सगळेच केलं हे दिसता न्हू. आणि हे फावटी आता हे 100 फावटी येयले रेडे गैर रेडे सगळं रोपण काय धरसण कायच दवरूंक ना.
Monthly pass system was launched by Kadamba Corporation for MAPSA after issuing it at Panjim, Vasco, Madgaon and Kankona, informed Kadamba Corporation Director Sanjay Ghati. 28,000 passengers have registered their names for the membership of this monthly pass system, in which 9,500 passengers are students, he added. Gautam Shirodkar reports from MAPSA.
कदंबा महामंडळान आयज म्हापसा बस स्टँडाचेर कन्सेशन पास इश्यू करपाची सिस्टम जी सुरू केल्या. आयज पर्यंत आमचे कडेन 28,000 पॅसेंजर रजिस्टर जाल्ले आसात आनी अबावट 22,000 पॅसेंजर मंथली पास व्हरतात. हातूंत भितर 9,500 सुमार स्टुडंट्स आसात, मागीर 4,500 सुमार आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन्स आसात आनी उरलेले बिजनेसमॅन आनी अदर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स आसात. ही पास सिस्टम आमी पयलीं पणजे, मडगांव आनी वास्को सुरू केल्ली आनी ताच्या नंतर काणकोण सुरू केल्ली आनी लोकांचो डिमांड आयलो, त्या लागून आमी आतां म्हापसा सुरू करता. सो दॅट पेडणे, मागीर बिचोली आनी सांखळी ह्या वाठारांतले लोक म्हापशेच्यानूय पास घेवन वचूंक शकतले. आनी थोड्या दिसांनी आमी फोंडा आनी सांखळी ह्या बस स्टँडांचेर आमी पास इश्यू स्टार्ट करतले आनी हो जो लोकांचो जो आमकां प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा तो आनी मेळचो ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान हे पास इश्यू आमी सुरू करतले.
ओके, पास सिस्टमा खातीर कदंबा लॉसाक बीन कितें प्रॉब्लम
ना, पास सिस्टमा खातीर लॉसान ना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्री आमचो लोड फॅक्टर पयलीं 56% आशिल्लो, तो आतां 65% जाला. अबावट 11% सुमार लोड फॅक्टर वाडलो. ते म्हणजे लोक जे मोटरसायकली आनी गाडयो घेवन कामार वताले ते खुबशे लोकांनी पासीस काडले आनी दुसऱ्या गाडये वयल्यान जे लोक वताले ते बी आमच्या गाडयेर येवपाक लागले. सो फॅसिलिटी एक कमी पासांची मेळिल्ल्या कारणान इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटींतले जो लोक आशिल्ले ते चडशे आमचे हाजेर ट्रॅवल जावपाक लागले. आमकां ते वेर्णा मागीर करासवाडा हांगा जे लोक पळय चडटा पेडणेचे बी ताजे वयल्यान कळटा की इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीच्या लोकांनी हे चडशे पास घेतलेले आसा. सो आतां प्रतिसाद बरो मेळिल्लो आसा आनी असोच लोकांनी आमकां प्रतिसाद दिवचो अशें हांव अपील करतां.
Before we wind up, here is the quick recap of the headlines. President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee demands transfer of State Electoral Officer of Goa before the Lok Sabha election. All Goa Secondary Teachers Association stage dharna demanding cancel of notification of academic year. And polling dates of Lok Sabha election for Goa as declared by the Central Election Commission likely to be changed. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.